We have a turnkey solution called our open house audiences. This lives already in Ads Manager. And what it is it's a audience that we've created through a partnership with a third-party MLS system. What they do is they ingest on a national level all of the open houses into our platform. We then are able to create audiences based on those consumers that have visited these open houses with different look back windows. So 30 days all the way to 120 days. We're then able to also understand at the price threshold of these visitors and where they're going. So for example, I visited a open house that's in the range of a $200,000 to $500,000 home 60 days ago. This is great for realtors, for real estate. It's great because it's allowing you to get that message in front of that person that's in the buying mindset. But it's also really beneficial because it's going to help other affinity types of marketers in this space. Think, financing, right? Think professional services. If someone's new to the area, they're also going to be looking for different types of companies to help them with projects, cleaning, painting, gutter repair. I'm in this boat right now, so it's very timely and relevant for me. Another option, best practice for real estate is radial fencing. It's great for two reasons. One, because in very populated regions, when you're placing radial fences on the property or properties that you're wanting to reach and get your messaging to, you're also extending that reach to that neighbor, to the neighbors, to the neighborhood who may know or need your product, who may know of someone that's looking to relocate into the area because of the schools or being closer to transit. So it's extremely beneficial to utilize the radial fencing for that reason for more populated regions. On the other hand, for less densely populated regions, it's your play for extended reach to make sure you're getting your message in front of that relevant consumer. Okay, so how do we apply this on an omni-channel level, right? So at GroundTruth, what makes us different is we're an audience-first approach across all screens. It's not content-based, it's audience-based. And we create those audiences through our mobile partnerships with over 100,000 different apps and through our blueprints, which are MRC accredited and third-party audited. So what that looks like is we're able to understand if a device ID enters the threshold of an open house, enters the threshold of a specific location or point of interest. And then we use those audiences and we're able to target that audience, that one-to-one across multiple screens.